All right, our next tool that we would like to work with is called feature hashing. So let's take a look at that one. I'll bring that into our workflow. I'm going to move things down just a little bit. So feature hashing allows me to select multiple columns again. So here I can go back to my pre-processed responsibilities. Pre-processed minimum qualifications. And pre-processed preferred qualifications. All right, save that. All right, so what I want to do with this, this basically gives me two parameters, the hashing bit size. So the hashing bit size is 2 to the power of whatever I put in here. So each bit, basically I'm going to assign that many bits to my hashing algorithm, which gives me the ability to assign 2 to the power of 10 or 1024 different features. So that might be a little bit of overkill for a document corpus that we have here that only has 1,250 documents in it, but certainly for a large document set, 10 would give you 1,000 plus features, and you may even want to make it bigger. All right, n-grams I can set to 2. We'll leave it at 2 for this one just to see what we get, and we'll go ahead and submit this job. Okay, our feature hashing finished. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Here we just get one output. That's our transformed data set. Now in this case, because I gave it 3 columns of data, it created 1,024, I think that's the number, 1024, new features for each of my text columns. So we end up with 3,082 columns of features. And you can see, depending on the feature itself, we don't have specific words in here. It's just called a hashing feature. So basically it goes through a hashing algorithm to generate these features, which are a hash of various words and bigrams that allows us to reduce the number of features. So if I were to run this and say, let's make this hashing bit size 5. Well, I'm going to have 2 to the power of, well, actually, let's make it 9. I'll basically have 512 features for each one. So when I submit it, and we can just test out this concept and see what we get. And here we can see now we only have 1,546 columns. So basically cut our columns in half plus the original 10 we had. All right, so that is feature hashing. Now let's move on and see if we can do some predictive analytics with our data.